Hello everyone, I'm Nilitra from the team Challengers, and this is the solution that we have come up with for the AMD Slingshot Hackathon. So the project name is Aegis, and we have this cool dashboard, homepage, and you have like a registration page where you can register as a student or as an institution. You can also go to the sign in page and go sign in. So this is over here. Now don't worry about that password and all, because I have just used a REST API, so it was just showing like that. So you have the streak and those XP and all. Now these are all dynamically generated. Like you can just click on a drill and it will just show up, and then you can pass the drill. That's one thing. You can also sign in as an institutional admin. You have this command center. The Sentinel is our AI agent, the name that we have given. You have all this logs and all. Now this is an incident, like through the email that I've shown, I've clicked a malicious website, this one, and due to which I've created an incident. So I can just click on the resolve incident and we are good to go. Then we also have this identity radar, and we have this verified breaches. And if I just click on the scan now button, what happens is that it will check on the dark web if the institutional email address is present in any kind of dark web using an API. We also have this drill simulator which checks for this, like we can create a new drill and all. So exam notification, just launch. That's one thing. It will generate a new drill with the help of the Gemini API. So yeah, you also have this extension that we have made. So just click on this password and just verifying. It will create this extension that it will be activated. And if I just click on the gap side, since it was a malicious website, it will show a page like this. And yeah, then you can see over here it has shown a page. This is all generated with the help of AI. You can also edit it over here as you wish, like this. So yeah, lastly we have the developer dashboard, where we can accept institutional request for our app, and as it scales we will be using AI in this case as well. So within this stipulated period of time, I've tried to use as much as possible and try to give efforts as well. And there are many more features that can be added, like the email automation and all. Yeah, but that I'll be adding that in the future. So yeah, this is all I have to say, and good night.